Modern information systems have made information much more widely available, with a proliferation of all types of reports, paper and electronic. One of the major challenges organizations face today is to compile the overwhelming amount of information available to support managerial decision making. One of the most difficult aspects of output design is to decide what information to provide and how to present it effectively. There are four types of output reports commonly provided by an information system. So first is the detailed reports. So this contains specific information on business transactions. For example, a list of all overdue accounts with each line of the report presenting information about a particular account. And then we have a summary reports. So these are often used to recap periodic activity. An example of this is a daily or weekly summary of all sales transactions with a total amount of sales. Managers often use this type of report to track departmental or division performance. And then we have exception reports. So this provides details or summary information about transactions or operating results that fall outside of a predefined range of values. And then we have executive reports. These are used by high-level managers to assess overall organizational health and performance. They contain summary information from activities within the company. They might also show comparative performance with industry-wide averages. An example of a detailed report is with this one. So it is when a customer places an order on the web, the system prints the order information as a confirmation. Of course, a user can always print the web screen display by using the browser's print capability, but that takes more time and report format isn't guaranteed. It is much more user-friendly to provide shoppers with a printer-friendly order confirmation in addition to web-based display. And then this one is an example of an internal report based on inventory records. So this report includes detailed information. Summary information is available on this different report. So a control break is used to divide the detailed section into groups. In this example, the control break is on the product item number called ID on the report. Whenever a new value of the ID is encountered on the input records, the report begins a new control break section. The detailed section lists the transactions of records from the database, and the summary section provides totals and recaps of the information. Another example of a report is a report of employment benefits with multiple pages of information customized to the individual employee. So sometimes the documents are printed in color with special highlighting or logos. So this example is one page of a sample report for survivor protection from an employee benefit booklet. So the text is standard wording, but the numbers are customized for the individual employee. Electronic reports. So organizations use various types of electronic reports, each serving a different purpose and each with its respective strengths and weaknesses. Electronic reports allow flexibility in the organization. and presentation of information. So some have detailed and summary sections. Some show data and graphics together. Others contain boldface type highlight and highlighting. Others can dynamically change the organization and summary. And still, others contain hot links to require information. A primary characteristic of electronic reporting is that it must be dynamic. Users should be able to control input to meet the specific needs of a particular situation. For example, an electronic report can provide links to further information. One technique, called drill down, allows the user to activate a hotspot link on the report, which tells the system to display a lower level report that provides more detailed information. So for example, this figure contains a monthly sales summary. The report provides sales total, group, by product category, and season. If the user clicks the hot link for any season, a detailed report pops up with more sales data. Graphical and multimedia presentation of reports. So the graphical presentation of data is one of the greatest benefits of the information age. So tools that permit data to be easily depicted in charts and graphs have simplified information reporting for printed and electronic formats. So this figure here presents a pie chart and a bar graph. So two common ways to present summary outputs. So multimedia outputs have become available recently as multimedia capabilities have increased in applications. Today, it is possible to see a graphical, possibly animated, presentation of the information on a screen and have an audio description of the salient points. Combining visual and audio output is a very powerful way to present information.